In this video, we are going to finish the HTML code. Only the letters that make up the word search are missing. Here we go. First, we must create the container for the letters. Now we start with the letters. This main tag must contain 11 rows. Each row has 14 letters. The first row is ready. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. The letters are ready. Now we must define which letters are going to make up each hidden word. Let's go back to row number 1. I place CSS in this row. T, I put bootstrap in this row. The letters I and N should be here. The next ones are R and P. R, C, and M. with HTML at the end of the row. IAS. GBCS. We are almost done with the letters for each row. Here we must place ETA. J and S. Okay, people, we are done with the HTML. Let's look at our browser to check the code we have done so far. Nice! We are definitely done with the HTML code of this minigame. In the next video, we are going to start with the CSS code of this project. Don't be left behind and follow me to the next level.